Hi friends, it's Mr. Justin here with the Hoover Public Library. Welcome to another week of virtual story time and another episode of Off We Grow. Say, have you seen my friend Norman the Narwhal? I haven't seen him anywhere. Let's count to 3 and we'll see if maybe he'll pop up. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. That didn't work. I think we should count to 3 and call out his name, Norman. Are you ready? All right, 1, 2, 3, Norman! Wait a second. That's not Norman the Narwhal. What kind of animal is that? Quack. That's right. That's a duck. Quack, 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 quack. Wait, what's going on here? Where is Norman? I'm gonna go look for him. Quack, 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 quack. Norman! Norman! Hey, there you are. Norman, what's going on here? You're supposed to tell us what Storytime is about. It's about ducks. I should have known. Say, I have an excellent action rhyme that's about ducks. And ducks are pretty funny. When they eat, they stick their heads under the water and eat off the bottom of the pond and stick their tails in the air just like that. It's pretty funny. Would you like to hear the song, Norman? All right, I'm going to teach it to you at home too. Are you ready? All right, we'll do it 2 times through. The first time will be to learn it. Are you ready? All right, we're going to use 2 hands and they're both going to be ducks. All right, are you ready? All the little ducks go upside down, upside down, upside down. All the little ducks go upside down as they dabble at the bottom of the pond. Excellent. All their little tails go wiggle, waggle, wiggle, wiggle, waggle, wiggle, wiggle, waggle, wiggle. All their little tails go wiggle, waggle, wiggle as they dabble at the bottom of the pond. All their little beaks go snap, 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 snap. All their little beaks go snap, snap, snap as they dabble at the bottom of the pond. Great job, friends. All right, now that we know it, let's do it one more time. All right, you got your beaks ready? Excellent. Can you make those ducks quack? Quack, quack. Excellent. All right, here we go. All the little ducks go upside down, upside down, upside down. All the little ducks go upside down as they dabble at the bottom of the pond. Great! All their little tails go wiggle, waggle, wiggle, wiggle, waggle, wiggle, wiggle, waggle, wiggle. All their little tails go wiggle, waggle, wiggle as they dabble at the bottom of the pond. Great! All their little beaks go snap, 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 snap. All their little beaks go snap, snap, snap as they dabble at the bottom of the pond. Great job, friends. Good work. Quack, 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 quack.
Hello, friends. It's me, Miss Kayla, and I am here with our story for today. Today's story is Little White Duck, but we're not going to read this story. No, no, no. We're going to sing it. Are you ready? Let's get started. There's a little white duck sitting in the water. Little white duck doing what he oughta. He took a bite of the lily pad, flapped his wings and he said, I'm glad. I'm a little white duck sitting in the water. Quack, quack, quack. Who's that? Everybody say ribbit. Ribbit. There's a little green frog swimming in the water. Little green frog doing what she oughta. She jumped right off of the lily pad that the little duck bit and she said, I'm glad. I'm a little green frog swimming in the water. Glug, glug, glug. There's a little black bug duck bit and he said, I'm glad. I'm a little black bug floating on the water. Buzz, buzz, buzz. Oh no, who's coming next? There's a little red snake playing in the water. A little red snake doing what he oughta. He frightened the duck and the frog so bad. He ate the bug and he said, I'm glad. I'm a little red snake playing in the water. Hiss, hiss, hiss. And now there's nobody left sitting in the water. Nobody left doing what they oughta. There's nothing left but the lily pad. The duck and the frog ran away. I'm sad. 'Cause there's nobody left sitting in the water. Boo hoo hoo. You all have been fantastic. Let's give ourselves an applause in sign language. Now on to our last rhyme. What a fun story. Hey everybody, it's Miss Emma and we are going to do another action rhyme today. But we have to stand up for this one. So as everyone's standing up, we have to be able to jump. Okay? So, can you guys, before we get started with our duck action rhyme, can you guys remind me what sound a duck makes? That's right, ducks go quack, quack. That is exactly right. Okay, so our action rhyme today is called Little Duck. Are you ready? So I'm gonna do it once by myself and then we're gonna do it together 2 times, okay? It goes just like this. I saw a little duck go hop, hop, hop. I told that little duck to stop, stop, stop. I went to the window to say, how do you do? And he wagged his little tail and far away he flew. Okay, do you guys think you can do that? Great, okay, you guys ready? 1, 2, 3. I saw a little duck go hop, hop, hop. I told that little duck to stop, stop, stop. I went to the window and said, how do you do? And he wagged his little tail and far away he flew. That was great. Okay, let's do it one more time just for fun, okay? 1, 2, 3. I saw a little duck go hop, hop, hop. I told that little duck to stop, stop, stop. I went to the window and said, how do you do? And he wagged his little tail and far away he flew. That was great. So did you guys have fun with our story time today? I know I did. Okay, so it's time to say goodbye, but you know who we need? We need Norman the Narwhal here to say goodbye. So Norman says that he has had so much fun at story time today too, and that he is excited to see you guys next week. Bye everybody.
Quack, quack.
This story time is brought to you by the Hoover Public Library.